So I'm actually going to pour over that mandalay. It's for another project that the mandalay is going to have a colour on it for another project, but the canvas is a whole different project. So I thought I'd separate the two and do the canvas and show it to you, and in another video I will show you what I did with the mandalay, which made a really beautiful high-end wall decoration. So what I'm doing at the moment is I've got the canvas and I'm mixing some paints to pour over the mandalay, with it in my head thinking that might get a nice shape under there, but it kind of all melded into one, as you will see, and it did not go to plan, but learn by my mistake. It was so much fun anyway, but I got a absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to do a dirty cut out of this particular I'm just basically canvas. Adding because I want the mandalay to be a dark colour. I'm basically pouring all these mixed leftover paints that I have left, so it's just a real hodgepodge of colours, but in the end it does turn out very dark. Just giving it a swizzle round with my chopstick. Well, no, it's a skewer, not a chopstick. And then the idea was to just pour this paint all over the mandalay, but as you see, there's nowhere near enough paint in that cup to cover that whole mandalay. So I quickly realised what a silly jilly I was, and then I coated all in my black blue. So it completely changes the whole idea of my mandalay. But I did want to coat the mandalay in the dark colour, so it did achieve that, but it also gave me a base coat for the canvas. So just quickly swooching in all the paint and having a good old time, really. I really did, even though it wasn't going to plan. As you see, the mandalay created nothing underneath because all the paint smooched in. So I'm just removing my mandalay because I'm going to use that in that colour in another art piece. So what I'll concentrate on now is literally my canvas. As you do, as I go along. Probably would have been quicker doing this. It's turned out the paint is actually glistening because it got a lot of the metallic gold in it, so it's got a really lovely sheen in there. But see, nothing goes to plan for me. Oh dear. So you've just got to literally have got to go with the flow and just don't stress over it, for sure. You don't want to stress over paint. There's enough things in the world to stress over. I've got a fair bit of paint on there, haven't I? But it's actually a really lovely metallic black. Just make sure I go over my mandalay so that comes out a really nice metallic black. Rightio. What can I do with this, she said. Right. I think because I've got so much paint on there, it would really work better to do a Dutch pour type thing. So while it's got that metallic black, I've got this beautiful red. So this might work perfect in it. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. And then I've got this lovely turquoise here, so I could do I don't really think it needs to be many colours in this. I might put this cool red in here. And then what better, some gold in that would be really super. So this is going to be a project that's got lots of colour in it. I feel that I'm going to end up blowing that paint. I better move my little mandalay, otherwise that's going to get covered. Where can I put that? I'm running out of room, guys. Has to go down on the floor. I hope my dogs don't come in. Rightio. So I'm going to just put heat gun on this. Where's my heat gun? So it's the heat embossing wand. Disperse any air bubbles. Those colours actually look gorgeous with that background, really nice. I have to move all my stuff that I don't want to get covered in paint. Rightio, let's do this. Oh, those colours are so beautiful together. That was an accident, wasn't it? A happy accident. Rightio, I'm gonna kiss and blow. So there's the blow, and now I'm gonna kiss it to add some lovely embellishment. Wow, that's beautiful on its own. Let me give it a little go. Oh, super duper. Beautiful. So never intended on doing this, but look how lovely that is. It's really gorgeous colours. And oh, look at that. I don't want to waste them, so use them in your pour for sure. Just a few. I promise I'm not going to go over the top. She says. I'm just going back over what I've already done. So that's a kiss and blow. That turned out so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. I'm very happy with that alone. That's a lovely little piece. So those were literally accidental colours. Never even thought about that. They were sitting there and the colours are lovely. So that is a nice little colour combination of people that have problems with their colours. That was so simple, the red, orange and turquoise and gold. Look at that, that's beautiful. I mean, I could blow a few more areas out, but I'm really happy with that. So I hope you love it too, and watch out for the end for the finished project, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye for now, my lovelies. Take care, stay safe.